In this video, I'll guide you through how to import contacts into Klaviyo. Whether you're transitioning from another platform or simply starting anew, importing contacts into Klaviyo is a straightforward process. First, head over to your Klaviyo account dashboard. Here, you'll see a directory of your lists. Click on the name of the list you want to import your contacts into. If you don't have a list yet, or prefer to create a new one for this import, no worries. You can easily start fresh by clicking on Create List Segment, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. Choose List when prompted, give your list a meaningful name like Migrated Customers, and then click Create List. Once you've navigated to your chosen list's dashboard workspace, you'll see an option to upload contacts. It's right there in the center of the screen, labeled Upload Contacts. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can click on the Manage List drop-down menu located in the top right corner and select Import Contacts from there. Either option will get you to the same place. Now, it's time to bring in your contact data. Klaviyo uses .csv files for imports, which is a common format for storing tabular data, so you'll need your contact list saved in this format. If you have your CSV file ready, you can simply drag and drop it directly into the upload box on your screen. This is a handy feature that makes the process quick and visual. But if you prefer to browse your computer manually, just click on Browse Files and select your .csv file from wherever it's saved on your system. A couple of tips to ensure a smooth import process. Make sure your CSV file is properly formatted with clean data. This means having consistent headers and ensuring there are no extra spaces or special characters that might cause issues during the import. If your list includes multiple columns, such as first name, last name, and email, check that each column is clearly labeled for easy mapping once you upload it. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your contacts into Klaviyo. This simple process opens up a world of possibilities for engaging with your audience through Klaviyo's powerful email marketing tools. Remember, keeping your contact list updated and well organized is crucial for effective communication and maximizing your marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of importing contacts into Klaviyo clear and easy for you. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy marketing!